Today, we're going to talk about something that's on everyone's mind, making money. Specifically, we're going to talk about how to make your first $10 million. Now, I know what you're thinking. Making $10 million is impossible. It's only for the lucky few who are born into wealth or have a genius level IQ. But I'm here to tell you that's not true. Making $10 million is not just about luck or genetics. It's about having the right mindset, strategy, and work ethic. So if you're ready to learn the secrets of the wealthy, let's get started. Principle number one, start with $1 million mindset. The first principle you need to understand is that making $10 million starts with $1 million mindset. You need to believe that you're capable of making that kind of money. You need to believe that you're worthy of financial freedom. So how can you develop $1 million mindset? Start by changing your thoughts and beliefs about money. Start by educating yourself on personal finance and wealth building. And start by surrounding yourself with people who support and encourage you. Principle number two, identify a profitable niche. The second principle you need to understand is that making $10 million requires identifying a profitable niche. You need to find an area of the market where you can solve a problem or meet a need. You need to find an area where you can add value and get paid for it. So how can you identify a profitable niche? Start by doing research and identifying trends in the market. Start by talking to people and understanding their needs and pain points. And start by experimenting and testing different ideas. Principle number three, create a scalable business model. The third principle you need to understand is that making $10 million requires creating a scalable business model. You need to create a system that can be replicated and scaled up to generate massive revenue. You need to create a system that can be automated and outsourced to free up your time and energy. So how can you create a scalable business model? Start by identifying your unique value proposition and differentiating yourself from the competition. Start by creating a sales funnel and marketing system that can be replicated and scaled up. And start by building a team and outsourcing tasks to free up your time and energy. Principle number four, invest wisely. The fourth principle you need to understand is that making $10 million requires investing wisely. You need to invest your money in assets that generate passive income and appreciate in value over time. You need to invest in real estate, stocks, bonds, and other investment vehicles that can help you build wealth. So how can you invest wisely? Start by educating yourself on investing in personal finance. Start by diversifying your portfolio and spreading your risk. And start by being patient and disciplined and avoiding get-rich-quick schemes. Principle number five, stay disciplined and focused. The fifth and final principle you need to understand is that making $10 million requires staying disciplined and focused. You need to stay committed to your goals and vision, even when things get tough. You need to stay disciplined and avoid distractions, and stay focused on what's truly important. So how can you stay disciplined and focused? Start by creating a schedule and sticking to it. Start by eliminating distractions and minimizing multitasking. And start by rewarding yourself and celebrating your successes. In this video, we talked about the 5 principles you need to understand to make your first $10 million. Remember, making $10 million is not just about luck or genetics. It's about having the right mindset, strategy, and work ethic. So if you're ready to start your journey to financial freedom, start by implementing these principles into your life. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos on wealth building and entrepreneurship.